Hi, this is Franklin Marshall with Festa Coffee, and we're here to show you how we make crepes. We're going to be making a California crepe, and the California crepe involves a lot of various things to put this together, and it's very delicious. We have our avocado here, and I've already cut it up. And so what I'm going to be doing is scooping the avocado out and showing you how I scoop the avocado just to try and get a nice round back to it so that we have a real beautiful looking avocado when we put it on. What I like to do is to separate these, get it all set, and get them set to where they are looking nice on each side. Just clean that off because we want it to look very clean and presentable. So what we usually start with is arugula, and we put arugula on the base of our California crepe, and we put some mixed salad, mixed greens on the top of that so that we can get that different color. And then what we do is we like to put feta cheese over the mixed greens, getting some feta all over to get that nice expression. Feta cheese is so good. I love the feta, but I love the way it looked on the salad. Some tomatoes in various spots over our California crepe. It's actually a salad with the crepe that comes along with it. So what I do is I want them set up so that they're like a symphony, and it looks nice and beautiful all around the plate. And this last one we're going to put over here. And now we put our artichokes in the very center to give it some more expression. And then later on, we're going to come back and we're going to make our crepe that goes along with this. Our salad for our California crepe. So now we're ready to do the crepe. And with this crepe, we use our buckwheat batter. So the buckwheat batter looks chocolate. It has a chocolate look to it, but it is a gluten-free crepe batter. And so we're going to make our buckwheat crepe. And here we go. You see that it has different texture to it, but it's very delicious. It looks chocolatey, but it doesn't taste chocolatey at all. And we're gonna dress this up. A lot of chorizo comes as pork or beef chorizo, but this is a vegetarian chorizo, and it's very good. It tastes exactly like the real chorizo. We're gonna flip this over here and let it cook a little bit on the other side. And it's ready, and we can start doing that. Actually, I'm gonna use this side. So when you're doing crepes, you can use either side. So I'm gonna get my spatula from here and put a little bit of mole on. So do a little mole. I'm working it on the grill. So we get a little bit of this on, get it set up. And this mole smells really good. It smells chocolatey and very, very good. So we're gonna put a few black beans on. You can see it's starting to boil a little bit, but that's okay. Because we're gonna dress this really quick, get it all set up. We're gonna put a little bit of vegetarian chorizo on. And then we're gonna add a few jalapenos on. So that's gonna give it a little bit of zest. And then we're gonna throw on some nice Mexican cheese all the way around this crepe. And then, as you see, the cheese is starting to melt. So here we go, we're gonna fold it now. And we wanna fold it before it starts to get too well done, because if it gets too too hard, it starts to crack. As you can see, it's cracking a little bit on the side. I just put a crease here, and then the crease, you can just fold it like this, and I put another crease here, and actually this crease that I put here is going to compensate for that part that's starting to dry a little bit. So here we go. And sometimes I like to leave it exposed, and as you see, the California Crepe is very beautiful and very tasty. California Crepe from Festa Coffee.